Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more youth in Jammu district. The unarmed youth was martyred by Indian Border Security Force in Arnia area of the district. BSF claimed that on suspicion, the troops asked the youth to stop, but he moved on without paying attention to the call, which prompted the troops to open fire on him, killing him on the spot. Indian police arrested two Kashmiri youth in Bandipore district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were arrested as part of the ongoing arrest spree of Indian forces against the Kashmiri youth. The police claimed that the detained youth was overground workers of Mujahideen. Human rights organizations including Amnesty International and Human Rights Watchdog jointly raised their voice for the immediate and unconditional release of Kashmiri rights defender Mirwaiz from Indian jail. A statement signed by 12 international human rights organizations, which was posted on the website of Amnesty International, urged the fascist Modi regime to stop criminalizing the work of human rights defender who was arrested in November 2021 on politically motivated terrorism charges. Senior all-parties Hurriyat conference leader Mirwaiz Umar Farooq has expressed concern over custodial killings of youth in the occupied territory. Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said labeling Kashmiri youth as hybrid militants and arresting them under draconian laws have become routine. He said youth labeled as hybrid militant Imran Bashir Ganai was arrested and later killed in a similar fashion. India is upgrading its radar coverage along the border with China from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh as the Indian Air Force is spending Rs 10,000 crore plans to enhance the capacity to monitor activities across the line of actual control. The force is in the process of installing new radars to keep an eye on Chinese Air Force activities in the Ladakh sector. At least 6 persons were booked on the charge of embracing Christianity in Uttar Pradesh state of India. The action was taken after the police got information that a religious conversion was going on where Christians were present. An FIR was lodged against 6 Christian minority members.